How to fix Facebook Messenger can't open messages. First thing, open settings, go to the apps, open the apps, wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now you have to scroll all the way down until you find the messenger. Click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage, disable the background data and the roaming data, and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. So go back, click on the home page and open the Play Store, search for Messenger and update it. By the way guys, you can do the same thing in your iPhone iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe.